Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost Samsung phone with SmartThings Find instant fix step by step clearly. To find your lost Samsung phone using SmartThings Find, start by opening the SmartThings app on another device. If you haven't installed it yet, download SmartThings from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is open, sign in with your Samsung account. Make sure the Samsung account used on the lost phone is the same one you're signing into. From the main screen, locate and tap on the Find option. This will take you to the SmartThings Find interface. Here, you'll see a list of devices associated with your account. Select your lost phone from the list. The app will attempt to locate your device. Once it's found, you'll see its last known location on the map. If your phone is nearby, tap on the ring option. This will trigger the ringer on your phone, making it easier to locate. If your phone is not in range, you can view the last known location. You may also see options to enable Secure Your Device or Erase Device for added security. If your phone is offline, you can choose to receive notifications when it's back online. To make tracking easier in the future, ensure that Find My Mobile is enabled in your phone settings. Navigate to Settings, then Biometrics and Security, and select Find My Mobile. This feature allows you to track your phone even when it's not connected. Now you are prepared to find your lost Samsung phone using SmartThings Find effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.